gonna make a little video, might as well make it something worth watching. So we'll do a little crimping guide on how I do it using this 50 or 50. Down for sound, super flex. Two-aught lug. We'll pretend it's fresh. Cut the end off. Try to get as many strands cut as you can. Obviously, there are better tools for this. This is what we got. Come on, there we go. Lost a couple. Now with the 50, it is a little loose, isn't the word, but I think it could be tighter. So I start just running it up. Actually, the wire doesn't need to be in there. Get a snug on the back. The back of that flare like that. Wire in. So when you hit it with the 50 the first time, it always gives this little flare in the back. So what I do is I will put it in, and it'll be effectively only going to crimp the flare. This time, let me try to do this by holding it in the air. Yeah, people who make how-to videos, amazing. I could never. And it's a bit of a pain sometimes. Get it in there how you want, and to get it without it rotating. But with a little patience, now the way we do it, how I do it is not going to be the fastest. Tell you that. And this is even a little crooked. See, it's a bit of a pain, but in the end, our crimps always end up pretty good. Oh, it's crooked. Whatever. Do it twice. Realign it. Sometimes you gotta hold it. There it is. And then this, even when it's not a little crooked, gives you little wings on it. So what I'll normally do at this point, leave the wing for now, go towards the front of the lug where it's a little bubbly still. Hit that. Once, loosen it real quick, spin it. Again. And now we've got something that kind of looks all deformed, basically. We'll put just the flare into the, the little wing, I suppose you want to call it, into the crimper. Just make sure you get it in there. Then slide it forward a little bit because the front had a little bit of wing too. Hit that one. End up with something not the prettiest, right? But not coming off, which is the important part. Step 2, technically 2 types of heat shrink. That'll be the aesthetic one. This one is a dual wall adhesive lined heat shrink, so under hood, under body, whatever. Oh, and that was 3/4 inch too. So now that's all sealed. And we'll take the Basaholic heat shrink, which is not adhesive or anything like that, just a regular old heat shrink. And boom. Now got a nice connection. May not be the prettiest under it, but that doesn't matter.